Hello guys, in this video I'm showing you guys how you can use Twitter as a traffic source to generate income using CPA marketing. Okay, see, Twitter is one of the underrated traffic source people don't usually talk about, and it's very powerful. Okay, so I'll be showing you guys step by step what to do, how to create Twitter account, and how this method goes. Before I show that, kindly subscribe to the channel and turn on the notification bell and tap on all so you get notified on all my videos, all my posts. Okay, because I post content on how to make money online. You can see I have up to over 90 videos on this channel. Okay, and I don't want you guys to miss on any of it. Okay, so now come over to Twitter, register a new account. Okay, so I'll be listing three niche I want you guys focus on. Let me type it here: the health niche, the make money niche, and lastly the relationship niche. Okay, the relationship niche. These three niche are powerful and are good because they convert well. But note something: in this method we are going to be using CPA grip, but it's two different way. I'll be showing you guys the first method now, and in my next video I'll show you guys the second method. Okay, that's you guys to subscribe and turn on the notification bell so you know you won't miss out. Okay, so I'll be showing you guys the first method now. So first, come over to CPA grip, go back to offer tools, my offers, then filter it to US and email/zip submit, because this is one of the best. Okay, and this method usually work on CPA group fine. Okay, so what you are going to be doing here is you look for make money online offers here, like if it's free gift card, paper money, cash app. Okay, and I've gotten like two here. This one is get $750 in your paper account, and the second one is $1000 sent to your cash app. Is actually here, it's already here already. I just open it in a new tab. So what we're going to do here now is we'll grab this your link, then go over to Bitly. I like talking about this Bitly because I love it, one, because you able to monitor where the clicks is coming from and the country. It's very useful. Okay, so that you don't be seeing you don't be seeing clicks. You able to monitor the stats. You just create a free account on Bitly. As you can see, free account. You can monitor your clicks, like where they are coming from. You just create, paste your long link. Okay, just tap here, paste your long link. Let me copy one. Okay, let me sorry, tap on copy, paste it here. Okay, then to load and ask you to enter your shorten link. Title, I can enter paper phone, so I can remember the name. Then here, shorten it to a nice name, like what is getting here, $750 in your paper account. I just put get free 750 paper fonts. Okay, then I'll save. Okay, someone have used the link already, so I have to change it. So let me do it this way: get 750 paper fonts for, okay, let me click it for free. Let's see this way whether is available. Oh, link have been taken. I just have to find something. $750 paper font. in your account. I hope this is available. Woo? Okay, I've shortened it now. This is what I use here. I forgot that you can't use the dollar sign. That's why it was writing error. So I go to get free $750 PayPal fund. So once you have shortened it, you just copy your link, then come over to Twitter. So I've created a fresh account. You can see I just enter your name, freebies and deals, my bio. I help people make extra income without needing a job. Then my location, I entered United States. Okay, and you can see my profile header. I just designed this on Canva. You just start Canva, you search for Twitter header, you see a template, you just have to edit it. I can see my bio is what I added there, and my name is what I added there. Okay, I help people make extra income without needing a job. It's locals, and if you see the image, someone like working online. Okay, and I just added one post so that to look like not just an empty account. I'm still I'll plan on posting more. Okay, you can see I use some hashtags, some training hashtag. Okay, so this will be in another video, because in the next video I'm talking about the importance of this and this other tweets here on how it works. But now let's go back to the search. And what is a paper giveaway? Sorry, paper giveaway. Yes, let's start for I need money. Search for it. And I go to latest. Let's see. I will go to like near me, like near you, because I'm in the United States. For it my profile. So let's see. No, these are people from Nigeria. It's showing me. Let's see. Oh, sorry, you just click that anywhere. Tap on I need money and tap on latest. So you see the latest tweets on people writing about I need money. You can see 3 seconds ago, right here, better win at all costs. Gosh, okay, this is not something important. Okay, so it's not enough for Google to get money for YouTube. Okay, at this point I ain't doing anything more than just working for my money, and once I become filthy rich, okay, just have to look for something good. Okay, I need some head and some money. Let's see. So what you just have to do here is you like and you comment, like reply. Another guy sounds like hello spam, then just write a short eye-catching reply like check out this link, check out this, okay, to get free $750 paper fund. So you just reply, but I'm not going to reply, I'm not showing guys. You just reply. So when you reply, okay, let me just reply, let me show you guys. You reply, okay, let me see it has gone. You can see it. I'm replying to him, it has gone. So when people tap on this, to get directed to the CPA offer. Okay, so you search for this, keep searching. You can, as many comments you can give, you keep replying comments, look for people that are talking about they need money. Okay, so once you are done with that, you can go over to CPA group again. Currently there are some before you see offers like Walmart, Amazon, Target. those offers are actually good. So if you have offers like that, you just come over here and search for, okay, let me show you. Just search for like at Walmart. Search for that because currently the offer is not available, but in few days time you see it again because usually those are the popular offers on CPO, get those 1 month gift card, Amazon gift card, sorry. So you can see turning up in the female products as well as what's going on. You can just like and comment since that talking about 1 month. Telling that these people are interested in anything related to 1 month. So when you just like and you comment, can I write I love 1 month a lot. Check out this. Then you paste your CPA link to get free. Okay, if it's $1,000 1 month gift card or $100 or $500, any amount, try to get, let me see, it's $100. Okay, $100 free 1 month gift card. So you just comment, okay, I'll be reply to the like same as comment. Okay, so you keep doing this for as many tweets as you can. Okay, but please note sometimes as a fresh account, Twitter can just show that, oh, you have commented a lot, and please don't use the same comment, like the same word you use, and keep pasting. Try to just edit few words there because Twitter usually take notice of that and see I just copy and paste it, and they might just like restrict you for some time. Okay, so just try to edit some words and keep doing it. If you can do like, possibly you can do over 100 to 200 comments a day. Okay, fine, it's a bit stressful, but is highly convert. Okay, just take note of that. It's the traffic method that is tested. Okay, so I can't just show you guys something that is not working. It's actually working. If you are done with 1 month, go to at Amazon. Okay, there's also Target gift card. Go to at Amazon, you search for the same thing, do the same. Okay, to show that this offer, this type of traffic source is good for CPA group, because these are the kind of offers you see on CPA group, Amazon, Target, Walmart, and many more. Okay, so just keep doing this at Amazon, reply to the mail, sorry, to the mail, to the tweet, sorry, and keep doing this till you're tired. Okay, and just stay back and start seeing how the commission goes in. Fine, if it's sent to like 100 to 200 people a day, all are not going to click on your link. Let me say 20% to actually click on your link. So if you go with 20 people click on your link, people that click on your link will actually likely to fill out the offer, because you actually just need to enter their email address. When you enter your email address, you have to fill in small survey and you get paid, I think, $2 plus, I think so $1 plus. So is converting well. So in a day you can be making over $20, $30 per day. But at the start you might not be earning up to that because you're just beginning. But later on you start seeing big conversion. Okay, so try it out now and drop some comments on your results. And please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you actually gain something. Okay, please don't sleep on this method. Try it out, it's actually working. Okay, so that will be all. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.